Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this little monster beast. And come on guys, we gotta test it and see how it performs. So, looks like we got a few accessories inside the box. Give you your manual. You get your remote control in here. We'll show you guys everything up close. Well, they must think that this has some torque because they got a wheelie bar on the back here. It's actually pretty nice looking, and it actually looks nicer. There's a protective film on it. You know, they have a note, remove the transparent protective film before driving. You don't have to. So if I'm going to be running this somewhere hard, I keep that on there just to protect the body. But if you peel it off, it looks way better. So the truck looks nicer when that's peeled off. So guys, I do want to point out, it's got headlights. That is pretty awesome. And look at the response here. I mean, this steering response definitely seems to be one of the better ones. I'm really excited, guys. I am really excited. So guys, the grass is actually really tall and it's actually moving pretty good. So it's tall and moist. There's dew, so it's kind of wet. So as you guys can see, very impressed that it's actually moving this fast in wet grass. Very impressive. So it does have some speed to it. Over here, got some dirt. Yeah, it's got some speed. I think on macadam or blacktop, it definitely would pull a wheelie. So I can see why they have the wheelie bar. So, okay, we see the headlight is blinking. So the battery must be at low because I can see the front lights are blinking and we're losing power. So okay, so we'll go charge it, and yeah, I'm impressed, guys. It's fast, and I think you guys are gonna be happy with it.